Okay students, so question number 6. Question 6 is depending upon the chemical nature of template, DNA or RNA. The nature of nucleic acids synthesized from it, that is from DNA or RNA, list the type of nucleic acid polymerases. Now we need to list what types of nucleic acid polymerases. So let's start with DNA template. So in DNA template we have got DNA polymerase for DNA replication, and in RNA we add RNA polymerase for RNA synthesis or transcription. Then in RNA template we have got RNA dependent RNA polymerases for synthesis of RNA in some RNA viruses. And lastly we have got reverse transcriptase to synthesize the cDNA, that is complementary DNA, over RNA template. Okay, so these RNA polymerases, RNA and DNA polymerases are enzymes which take part in processes like replication and transcription. So in DNA template, the polymerases which are used are DNA polymerase for DNA replication, RNA polymerase for RNA synthesis and or transcription. Now, RNA templates, in RNA template, which sort of polymerases are used? Polymerases like RNA dependent RNA polymerases for synthesis of RNA in some RNA virus, and there is reverse transcriptase to synthesize complementary DNA. So from RNA to DNA synthesis takes place because of reverse transcriptase enzyme. Okay, so students, with this we are done with question number 6.